This P0683 repairing video is dedicated to GMC's drivers. If your GMC is getting a P0683 error code, this video is going to show you 2 practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0683. It means that the glow plug module is encountering a communication circuit error. Here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix GMC's P0683 error code. Method A, the glow plugs. Glow plugs are used in diesel engines to help heat the fuel in preparation for the combustion chamber when the engine is cold. They are located on top of the cylinders. Carefully remove the glow plugs from the engine. Use a multimeter to proceed with a test on the glow plugs. Read the result of the multimeter display. Note that resistance of less than 6 ohms usually means the glow plug is good. Repeat the procedure for the remaining glow plugs until they have all been tested. If any of the glow plugs fail to test, it is recommended that the entire set be replaced. Method B, the glow plug control module. First, carefully remove the glow plug control module from the vehicle. Visually inspect the module to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Check the glow plug control module itself and its electrical connections for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the glow plug control module. Replacing your glow plugs or glow plug control module is a straightforward project that is recommended every 60,000 miles or 95,000 kilometers. So here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix GMC's P0683 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.